Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule a payment using your Bright account so that you can stay on top of bills and never miss a due date. Let's get into it. So first, open the Bright app and sign into your account. And once you're in, from the home screen, you're going to tap on the Payments tab that's at the bottom of the screen. Next, choose Schedule a Payment and now select the recipient. If you've paid this person or company before, they're going to appear on your list of saved payees. If not, you can just tap add new payee and then you're going to enter their details. Enter the amount that you want to send and choose the payment date. This is when the money will be sent from your Bright account straight to their account. Then you're going to select when linked bank accounts or Bright wallets that the funds should come from. You're going to select which one, and then you're also going to have the option to set this payment as recurring. So just toggle the switch and pick how often you would like to repeat it. Could be weekly or monthly. Double check the payment details to make sure that everything is correct, and once it is, tap confirm to schedule your payments. You're going to get a confirmation screen and Bright will take care of the rest. To view or manage your scheduled payments at any point in time, you can just go to schedule transfers in the payment section. And that's how easy it is to schedule payments with Bright. It's fast, reliable, and helps you stay in control of your finances. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.